Hi. Today we will talk about performance improvement. We will go through the whole process starting from identifying the need for improvement, passing through the most famous improvement methodologies, and the use of proper quality tools to measure and find the root causes, ending by communicating changes and sustaining gains.
Dinosaurs lived a long life before extinction, but did you ever wonder what was the cause of their extinction?
Dinosaurs simply failed to evolve. They were not able to expect changes and adapt to them.
There are many methodologies to guide you through the performance improvement steps.
The most famous are FOCUSPDCA, IHM Model of Improvement, Lean Six Sigma, Lean Philosophy. We will focus today on FOCUSPDCA methodology. If you need to know more about lean philosophies, you can check our channel on YouTube.
There are 9 main steps to guide you through a successful improvement process using FOCUSPDCA methodology. These steps are: find an opportunity to improve, organize a team, clarify the process, understand the cause of variation, select a solution, plan, do, check, act.
It is not easy to determine what to improve, yet it is the most crucial step. To find an opportunity for improvement, you need to look closely to your data, analyze them properly, and set with your team and organizational leaders to set priorities.
Usually we use the following criteria to set priorities. High volume. Areas that may need improvement due to their large volume or frequent repetition of process failure. Example, consistent breach to certain policy. High risk, processes that may lead to significant danger for patients, staff, and properties. Example, medication errors, problem-prone, processes failures that may lead to problems like increased waiting time or unavailable supplies.
Although these are the most used criteria to set priorities and find an opportunity for improvement, but teams should set together and brainstorm using these criteria or any other criteria to prioritize their improvement options. You need to form an effective team in order to conduct a successful improvement project. The average team volume is from 5 to 10 with multidisciplinary formation. Make sure to include all relevant departments with focus on process owners/frontliners.
I'm the team facilitator. I'm not a team member. My job is to coach and guide the team.
I am the team leader. I am the most experienced and senior person regarding the process that we will improve. My job is to assign and monitor tasks and keep the whole team on track. I am also the one who reports the team progress to administration.
We are the team members. Our job is to actively participate with our experience and ideas to the team discussions. Also, we perform the tasks assigned to us within the expected time frame.
After the team formation, the whole team set together and used process mapping tools like flowchart or value stream mapping to clarify each step of the process and make sure that everybody get a clear picture of how the process is going.
Flowchart is a powerful tool to clarify the process. The team start drawing the process step by step using certain shapes. The circle is used to identify start and the end of the process. Rectangle shape is used to identify steps. Each step is plotted in a separate rectangle. Diamond shape is used when there is a decision. Example, does the patient has a medical record? If yes, continue the process. If no, open a new patient medical record, then continue the process. After clarifying the process, the team start to discuss causes of variations. The main question here is why the process is not reaching its target. Never ask who is responsible for that. Instead, always ask what happened and how to improve. To help us reach the root causes and rectify them, we use a tool named fishbone diagram or cause and effect diagram. We start by plotting the problem on the fish head, then brainstorm the causes leading to it on the fish bones. Please take a moment to look at the example here.
After determining the root causes, you need to select the most important causes to work on them. According to Pareto rule, 20% of causes lead to 80% of the effect. So if you manage to find these 20%, which we call vital few, and solve them, the team will be able to solve 80% of the problem.
To do so, there are many tools to use, like prioritization matrix, Pareto diagram, multi-voting. Here is an example of prioritization matrix, where you start plotting the causes on vertical axis, and criteria for selection on horizontal axis, the team start using their expertise and knowledge to set priorities. After selecting the most important root causes and thinking of solutions, the teams start to plan countermeasures to solve the problem and reach the target. In order to make an effective plan, the team will determine steps and set clear goals which are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-limited. The plan progress will be monitored by the team leader to make sure that all steps are going in harmony and done within the specified timeline.
After making the plan, the team should pilot the suggested solutions before applying it on large scale. It is very important to try to apply the solutions on small scale for specified period of time before approving them. By the end of pilot phase, the team will check data to know if the suggested solutions made the desired improvement. Then accordingly the team will make actions. If the data improve, the solutions will be applied on large scale. If the suggested solutions did not achieve the desired outcome, the team will go back to the select step and start planning all over again till reaching the target.
Now you finished the 9 steps improvement. Find, organize a team, clarify, understand, select, plan, do, check, act.
Do not forget to celebrate your success and recognize your team for their achievement.